Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the KnitCrate yarn, and if you'd like to be a member under me, your first month you can get 20% off. If you put in the promo code JEWEL20, all links are down below. You get 2 skeins of yarn, a booklet of patterns, and this is for the giveaway. I'm going to see who the winner is. I'd like to show you my Etsy store. All links are down below for this. And I have a bag, some thank you cards for business, a mom mug, and this shirt with this is how I roll, and then home body. I'm thinking about adding some more shirts in the future. This is a raccoon fold up crochet hook case and some bags for your crochet hooks and a bag for crochet. And this pattern for the poncho, virus poncho, and heart, and some crochet mugs. And my 2 books are on Amazon if you'd like to take a look. Crochet for Beginners, Crochet Hats for Beginners. They both have paperback and Kindle, and they have been updated. I have made adjustments to them according to the reviews, and there is going to be audibles attached to them in the next month or so. If you'd like to come to my website, this is all of my patterns. You can come to patterns and it will take you right there. If you go to hats, and you can just click close on that ad, and then it'll take you to all the hats, and all you have to do is just click right on the hat and it'll take you right to the pattern. If you just use this bar up here, I've been trying to update them because I kind of forgot to do that, so there's more patterns in there that are newer patterns in this search bar here. And let's see who the winner is. Sheila, congratulations, currently working on Corner to Corner Afghan. So all you need to do is contact me with your information and I'll send it out to you as soon as possible. My email will be down below. Thank you everybody for subscribing and participating, and all of my patterns, like I said, are listed in my site here. You can come right here and look at all of them. And that's it. Alright, so thank you everybody for watching.